up? Most interesting Chipotle session yet.
People want to know what the dream is like. There it is.
Yeah. Bus stops, walking across borders, doing things you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah, ending up in locations you didn't know you were going to be ending up in.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh, are you awake? Oh. Or are you just like awake? I might go surf. Might have to. Woo! Good morning. Oh my gosh. Dreaming. 5:30 wake up call. Potentially last day in Baja. Oh, pray for some healers. We got a lot of water right now, boys. Whoa. Micro healer through the bay. Never seen it crush the rocks like this, dude. This is epic. No shoes? Oh! What? What? Oh! Are you kidding me? What? Barefoot?
Yeah, rippin'!
Yeah, rippin'! Baja amigos! For how much space? Yoo-hoo-hoo! Feel the burn! Baby, you need someone to love. Oh! Ah, D-Vines! Where we pulled off the hyper smooth and put it on regular smooth.
I screenshot shot it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a banger, boys.
So good to bring the freaking GoPro out.
Bruh.
I think the colors could pop a little harder.
On this right now.
What's it at? I drop my video too or wait till tomorrow?
We should both be dropping videos every day. I'm gonna give you a hypothetical situation though. I need your help, some advice. Hypothetical. Everything you own, hypothetically, is split up, but you have like a hub area where you have a lot of your stuff. You're gonna leave for potentially the winter to live in a vehicle on the road. So you're bringing everything you can. You're all over the place driving around in this vehicle, and then you're gonna leave that vehicle to go on a mission. So you're gonna pack all your, kind of like we did on this trip. Say here, for example, where you have all this random stuff, and then you're gonna start packing, say right now, for example, for potentially a surf trip / snowboard trip / potential Japan, Indonesia next month type trip. What would you bring?
What would you bring?
Quick little variable. You don't have a whip, so it's all in your hands.
But it's all everywhere.
What would you bring? What would you do?
I like the binder idea.
What's
Just
that?
Bring a little bit of your TCAP.
The TCAP
Bring
binder.
your
Just
TCAP, freaking.
throw a couple things in a little duffel and just.
Yeah, a little bit of avocado or your snowboard bag and 1 5mm.
Wear the 5mm in all conditions.
Woo!
Should we go surf? And then buy a car and throw everything we own into the rig? Hope hope it doesn't break down. Another 86.
We're jacked. Stuff everywhere. We don't know what to do. Need more boards, more vehicles,
Go surf.
more houses.
Go surf.
Go surfing.
We gotta get rid of
Oh, that's
everything.
what we're supposed to do.
All of it. Go surf.
Yeah.
I like that.
Come back to it.
Let's do it. Here we go. Tricky 7th. Still in Baja. It's still early. Quite happened yet. Offshore, light wind. God, that was insane. Woo! Ready to evolve. You gotta go. Quick pop up. He's gone. Oh my God, he did. Those were bombs. Daly's done.
And you are far from a simple conclusion. And you can't stand another intrusion. There's someone standing down over you.
Wow. I've never seen you engage your rail like that down. Engage the rail down.
There's someone standing down over you. There's someone standing down over you. And now you're locked up behind the gate of misery. There's someone standing down over you. There's someone standing there who knows what you've been through. But we give you power and uncertain tomorrow. And now you're locked up behind the gate of misery.
Straight kneeboarded it, bro.
And I'm always eating to the clip too, like bodied. Woo!
Alright, dog, I'm gonna get going.
Yeah, let's get going.
Later.
Session secured, boys. Now we gotta figure out what
Have a good one.
to do.
What do we do over in Mexico with no car and a bunch of stoke?
A bunch of stuff, dude. There's stuff everywhere. How's that board bag though? So that's the concept.
YEWWW Pro model, snow, skate, surfboard bag.
Imagine that.
Woo! With a couple stoke 1, 2.
Comes with a cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Look at a bottle, but a
Actually, no more cappuccinos. We're claiming no more straight coffee from weird places.
Heart thing going on out in the lineup.
Yeah, how was that lineup, by the way? It was just me and you sitting there. You were having heart
Wild.
palpitations.
Dolphins were popping around. Sea lions. Got one quick 1, 2. Panicked only like a few times. Panic stoke.
I was saying that it's the same scenario regardless of if you panic or not, but as soon as you panic, it just makes it so much worse.
Most physically, mentally exhausting thing in the world, surfing. But once you get one,
Panicking though.
you regenerate stoke, and then you think you got energy again.
Yeah, what about when you get a real good one and all of a sudden you're on the beach?
Yeah, then you can't paddle back out.
The better the wave, the further away you are from the takeoff.
What goes through your head with surfing is crazy.
Alright, what do you...
Everything
This one?
goes in one bag. Huh?
So I was saying, the fact that you can check a snowboard or surfboard bag for the same price.
You get 3 times the amount of stuff in a surfboard bag.
You might as well just check your snowboards in the surfboard bag.
Surf, no skate.
And then if you're going to check a surfboard bag and you have all that extra room, you might as well throw a surfboard in there.
Ideas.
What's this thing?
Me and Endo with booties, helmet, life jacket. I don't care what I look like. I'll be out there, dude.
In this little compartment, I just found my 3 favorite sets of fins I've been looking for over a year, and the 4th set that I've been looking for. It's supposed to be on the East Coast. So what happens when you have too many things, ladies and gentlemen?
Seems like when you go surfing, you just need board shorts and flip-flops and a hat and a board bag and some charcuterie. I'm Dino, but I ain't Dino, you know? I'm Dino's
Hey, yo, what's
cousin.
up, cuz?
Neighborhood dog.
Neighborhood dude.
Baja boy.
Little duder. Baja dude.
A little steak on the side. Huh?
Little steak on the shad. See good?
All week. No sheets, no pillowcases, no comforter. Just raw dogging out here in Baja. I was thinking about it all night. I was like, well, I guess we're just living it.
You get what you got when you show up here.
I got a bed.
We've had a bag of laundry that we should do over there for at least a year. I mean, I grabbed the same go-to 2 blankets, little stoke pad here. You don't need much, dude. The thing's thick, boy. I'm not gonna lie, I did bring a pillow that Dana gave me.
Oh, you brought a pillow with you?
Yeah. You had a good selection over there, though. There was a 4-pack.
There's just nothing covering it. It was just pure covered in stoke.
Throw that in your new board bag here. Dino's cuz,
Hey,
dude.
Dino's
What's
cuz.
up, bro?
What are you doing? Hey, you want a little meat? Hey, you
You hanging around until the meat's done? Meat's almost done, buddy. There we go. Shout out Dan Green. I knew it. You had ammo. Hey, is it right here? No, it's just a false alarm.
What a moment. What?
Dennis, they're so bad.
It's the
Get
most
it.
Is this what we're missing our whole life?
Dude,
I can't believe it
The
goes full
seats
flat.
disappeared. Load her up, bud. That was awesome. You doing it again? Look at this. God. Whoa, dude.
You don't even need a sprinter.
Never seen something so epic. Dodge. Never dodge.
Stupid duty dumb. Stupid duty dumb. Live with the folder bag in your boy C-Dub. Stupid duty dumb. Duty dumb. 3 hours later, we gon' get stuck in Tijuana. He's leaving me. Later, dog. We're dying.
All right, we got a free bus right here.
Free bus?
Free train.
Free train.
It'll bring us to another train station, and then there's another train to another train station, and then we're not there. But it's free. Or $100 Uber.
Train her up.
Chain her up, bud.
Brutal. The setup right now. What's it up? Most interesting Chipotle session yet.
People want to know what the dream is like. There it is.
Yeah. Doing things you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah. Ending up in locations you didn't know you'd be ending up in. And we missed our bus. We gotta wait another 15 minutes to then wait another.
We got like 15 people sleeping back here. We got it back.
That's true. They gave you a Prius. Unless it's Val, we're not fitting in that Prius. Homeboy would not be stoked. So now it ended up going up more, and it went from 100 to 117, and we missed the last stop. How'd that happen? I thought we were gonna do something good. Get a little humbled. Now we got way too humbled.
Sometimes you gotta get Chipotle.
The $120 Chipotle bowl, dude.
Wow.
That's the second one that we've ever seen tonight.
What happened, sir?
With the seats going in like that? That's amazing.
You guys want San Pellegrino?
This little San Pelle's. There she is. You say you pulled down the post?
Yeah. We ain't selling birds.
We ain't selling birds.
I do that, man.
Yeah, that'd be a
Time's not right. Time's not right.
Yeah, some other time.
We're gonna
Maybe next Christmas.
garage this thing for like 20 years for you. We just gotta put all this on an airplane now.
That's going in D-Dub's backyard.
First time be overseas.
Oh yeah, huh? Fancy.
Oh, so you come to visit your family?
Yeah. Visit family and serve, eat tacos.
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good tacos.
Yeah. In here, I have the Mexican food, Chinese food, Korean food. Yeah,
Very good food.
very
Huh?
good.
Very good tacos. Uber cost is directly related to the gas prices.
I know. 2 days of computer work will have you just ready to jump right in there. This guy's losing it. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know what year it is. We don't know what day it is.
And no one wants to talk.
And winter just started. It's always mental, baby.
Even got a towel rack. Atta boy. I don't know why I'm being such a squirmer right now. There you go. 20 seconds, you're in.
Not too bad. I just can't breathe or something. I gotta take a piss.
Don't piss in there. You and Scummy pissed in there last time.
Oh, mind, body.
Get those shoulders in. Minute and a half.
Ah!
Yeah, I didn't think about the dryer vent when I moved locations.
Great location. We're back to Baja. Tricky weather. You know we got some fishes.
Daily are realizing that we are logistically
Messed up. We don't know what's going on.
what's where we are, what we need, what we want.
What are we doing?
I just finished shipping out all the orders that were going to be done by somebody else while we were on the road. So now I had to come back and do all of them. And I was like, dude, I literally want to bail on all of the shipping stuff so that I just don't keep doing it. That's, you got to burn the boat.
It's almost impossible when you don't have a home base to like expand the stove, you know? It's getting heavy.
None of it makes sense. And then we were mapping out the calendar. And we're not even probably going to be back
6 months?
6 months.
We don't know where we are, when we're going, how we're doing it, what we're bringing. We got stuff on all sides of the world, but we actually have nowhere that there's anything.
Yeah, we have nothing. We're Ubering. We're like, where's our
We come to Utah, we're like, this might be a home base. Stoke warehouse, baby. The Stoke warehouse where we can organize the Stoke, process it to be able to spread more, manifest it. There's a lot to it. But it's something about living out of the trunk and being on the go 24/7.
Now you're a graphic designer while you're at your friend's house.
Yeah.
Yo,
It's all fun until it's a business.
Got the ice bath all dialed in for you boys. Ready to rip.
Oh,
I'm back.
Maybe that'll help clear some things up here.
Maybe I'll be able to function. I'm not functioning today. Warning, may cause spontaneous outbreaks of stoke.
I like that.
That's better than the first tag. Wish us luck. Pray for us. Pray for it. It's supposed to be the year of organization, delegation, and what?
Empathy?
Empathy.
Yeah.
So, send some prayers our way.
From the outside, it looks so dialed in.
It's funny how unorganized